Imagine logging into your crypto account and waking up to a zero balance. In minutes, millions can vanish. This is a faceless breakdown of how it happens, the techniques hackers use, real-world examples, how exchanges fight back, and most importantly, 3 simple steps you can take to protect your crypto. Crypto combines digital money, pseudonymous accounts, and global markets, making it a high-value, fast-moving target for attackers. The worst part? Once funds leave an exchange, they are often nearly impossible to recover. So how do they get in? Hackers use multiple techniques, both technical and social, to get inside exchanges. Bugs in smart contracts, wallet software, or the exchange's own code can create backdoors that let attackers drain funds automatically. Another common method is credential stuffing and phishing. Stolen login details, especially reused passwords from other data breaches, and convincing fake login pages can give attackers direct access to admin or user accounts. Sometimes the weakest link is already inside. A disgruntled employee or a contractor with privileged access can cause immense damage. And it's not just the exchange itself. Many exchanges integrate third-party tools, and attackers often target these weaker integrations as a backdoor to the main system. So how does a typical heist play out? It usually follows a clear timeline. First, there's reconnaissance, where hackers study the target for weeks or months, looking for weaknesses. Then, they gain initial access, often through a phishing email or a software bug. From there, they work to escalate their privileges, trying to get admin-level control. Once they have it, they execute the attack, moving funds out of the exchange's hot wallets. Finally, they cash out, using mixing services and multiple wallets to obscure the trail and make the funds untraceable. Large-scale hacks often share common patterns: slow, patient reconnaissance, the abuse of internal administrative APIs, and rapid transfers across hundreds of addresses to hide the money. Recently, attackers have also started exploiting DeFi bridges and complex smart contracts, allowing them to steal cross-chain assets in mere seconds. Of course, exchanges are not just sitting ducks. They use a layered defense to fight back. The most critical funds are kept in cold storage, which means they are completely offline and disconnected from the internet. They also use multi-signature wallets, which require multiple keys held by different people to authorize a transaction. This prevents a single point of failure. Behind the scenes, they run sophisticated behavioral analytics to detect suspicious activity, conduct regular red team audits to find vulnerabilities, and some even have insurance to cover potential losses. But security is a shared responsibility. Here are 3 essential steps every user should take to protect their assets. First, use a hardware wallet for your long-term holdings and keep only minimal active trading funds on exchanges. Think of it like a bank. You don't carry all your savings in your pocket. Second, enable the strongest possible account security. This means using a unique, complex password for every single site, managed with a password manager, and securing your account with hardware-backed 2-factor authentication, like a YubiKey. Third, and this is crucial, stay skeptical. Always double-check URLs before logging in. Never click on suspicious links or download unknown files, and be extra cautious when approving large withdrawals. Crypto promises new forms of finance, but it demands new and better security habits. Exchanges will continue to improve their defenses, but a huge part of staying safe depends on you. Protect your assets. Verify everything. If this video helped you understand the risks and how to mitigate them, please give it a like and subscribe for more content. Stay safe out there.